that's the PM said, and then offer Sakwa Kojiska, and now I get 5 million.
SOMPA Sports.
Maybe they have and near from Shadow. And I was there from why. It's no be kind of direct. And then a honey shade man as a Jeff in the time in the Amai.
Okay, greetings, Chairman.
We are Minu Shadow.
I've been wanting to speak to you for some time now.
Amorim. We Aminu Shadow. Sharak my in the picture, and then there was some Mawakwaba. Sharak Mompa Aminu Shadow picture, or a team manager of Black Stars. I come here call.
So for Kitwa Beduma. Greetings, Chairman. I've been wanting to speak to you for some time now. Only that I've been unable to for a variety of reasons. I hope you are well. Chairman, you have every right to speak your mind, especially when things are not right. I just beg you to please tone down. Honestly, this is the time President needs everyone the most.
We Aminu Shadow, team manager of Black Stars.
No.
The message I was send to come out George Free.
Okay.
Now saying our shots, yes, all kasa about Black Stars. George Free any response for the man Aminu Shadow no
Shadow, you know me very well. I don't think Kate needs anybody.
Number 2, we also have a call recording between Aminu Shadow and Kujo Fianu. Gaka chairman, Osha Sia or Bujem, Seket and resign. Aminu Shadow called him. And Okachen say, Osena Unyabu Chema Mobon. Then yes, sir, a best senior. Then Kujo Fianu catch and say, he knows what is happening.
SOMPA Sports.
Okraku, right after Fianu Bontin, this is the message he sent to him. Good morning, Mr. Fianu. Did you really say this? On say, Kate and resigns a Black Stars and qualify for AFCON. Whilst we had the technical team planning to prepare Black Stars to play, our team manager was doing jandam politics for Okraku's presidency. Shadow has left his core mandate. And then, ni alaji raji Jeff Adamfun. Amotesa okasa mama freo.
SOMPA Sports.
Who do you blame today? Fancy Memo Akwabane, the biggest blame is on the President of the Republic of Ghana. He cannot escape this. Nana Akufo-Addo. You have failed with our Black Stars. Jeff Mundi team na semi-final team. Now about final 2015. 2017 about semi-final. 2019 who fail here Egypt. Now Cameroon ni Cote d'Ivoire there. Nana Akufo-Addo. On the basis of the Black Stars decline, what have you done? Fancy. Who in Nana Akufo-Addo in sports minister freewa? Near to Black Stars na nyo biya yeke to Okraku. Na enen mema wakwaba me be tu mren na ma chese na ma sama obi a oye nsentru ni bia obe Daniel Amartey bia Organa.
Yes.
Amartey is here. Shadrach, enra me bas ticket ni. Permission na me je wo honra no. Dia me de ko he no. Enra omuzumia me VIP bas am de ko ba.
SOMPA Sports.
Nana Akufo-Addo share Black Stars or Golden Bean before I call African Cup. Oma Omuska. So Munko Cheska. Sikami Chemun, that's a players no be abenya $3,000.
I know the amount bonting.
So we are see. And a Cheko Chase can FM penny forget Moko Chase can obi enya 2008 instead of the 3,000. Keto Okraku. And no mubisa say aden. And no musio yati 200. Yami Kenya Jeff is away. He's been away for long. He can't deny it. Omotis can also $200. Keto Okraku in the management in the FA phone. $200. No more players no 2008. Then Amartey goes to ask her, Sikana obi abenya 3,000 no. Adenti na mama ye 2008. Amartey amani huminti a omo Black Stars ni bi mu no. Ne Genesis no. And then the FA explains to him, oh, Debbie, Amartey then was part of our captain group. Oh, Debbie. Yeah, the BM technical team for obvious reasons. Almost so can't be near then. Yeah, say no way. I didn't think now man penya change ka. Osi me the command technical team. Money my dream players away a team. Give our money to us. Siketu ebe bomb
ebe omo players no kwa bet me more than
they had a plan already. And again on record, all these things, Jeff is aware. And yet news be make us say them or me. I got to know this in January. Now me near community or your hotel one and and say, I call Pullman Hotel one and Black Stars da. Me could do an Moses man in the year. Omubu efuse. Omutu Christian. I send me on make a chain be a fancy on fa. What happened after that? Amartey yes had in the then they called a meeting. Hotel on a person Mopamu Christian. Sasem ne babonting. Say captain's group na Amartey met Nembi. Norman Pamu coaching. The players should give a backing to the sacking. Or say on yet. Because when coaching England. Only maybe a better cushion beam. If there is a decision of that nature, and then they tried getting Mercado into a meeting to stop him, Amartey, from playing for the Black Stars. Mercado didn't go in. A Kurt Muso decision, and no more Amartey free Black Stars.
Whoa.
Okraku is behind that. So Daniel Amartey say or Bobia, the woman. Black Stars coach, the coach Cameroon events are Mark Brice. Again, Jeff is aware. Reporter, Mercado committee in the man ministry, any abino. Coach they settled on Mark Brice.
Oma Cameroon so bold.
Mark Brice, Cameroon coach no.
SOMPA Sports.
And as our committee no the criteria by no. And selecting the man abino. And they were ready to engage because the coach was willing. After the initial discussion, Cameroon coach Mark Brice. Otto Addos coming was engineered by one person, Okraku. Now I dare ask, Yesika yedi ewura since qualifiers we mu. Saying, Nana Akufo-Addo, be bold. Now only NSA Director General no, mon kan Ghana for say sika yedi Accra Sports Stadium. Emma yedi boss Sudan match no. Eni da mu be hu no, mu na mu be fu.
Renovations.
Of course, you need to can agenda 111 hospitals no. E mani nwie near the acquire campaign no. Some 19 days. Obeko agenda 111 80% complete. Agenda 111 70 some. Sika ebetimi dey say adwuma no. And the sponsor send pay. So I dare ask, if Udu Sikako baby budget is at an all-time high, rooftop, performance rock bottom, the president is quiet, the sports minister is quiet, are they complicit? Now, now Ghanaians have started feeling, say, the presidency and then the sports ministry are part of this mess. And yes, they are. Of course. Because football league need more money, a crime scene. But when the Abaye Japade Ghana for their again, with good memory, Jeff would remember. Under PNDC, Rollins will say a national team I have phone. Or Kofre Commodore Steve Obimpe. That time no Hazakis. Kwesi Ahoy, Kwame Ahoy from us, Kwesi from Kotoko. No more meeting. There was an interministerial task force just to look at Black Stars, chaired by Commodore Steve Obimpe.
SOMPA Sports.
What stops us from intervening? Black Stars didn't hear intervention. Set Kudus, Akraketwa Yawun Nima. Now our captain Ghana, Ewon crying. When your penalty koteka, na Ghana for who could do say away on Bontonkin. Fancy, we can lose everybody, but we can lose Ghanaians.
I was shocked, Andra.
No, someone that video ni bi amude mombo away o and kan for no e huru could do say on penalty no twentwen or bottle trains or no money age. Na Jane is amana for abeshe kwa. 4 points.
All of you are paying the
4
price.
points.
The useless announcers. Listen, what I brought it to power.
It's got nothing to do with announcement after 5 years.
Fantastic. It has a lot to
got
do.
nothing to do with him today.
No, it has
5
a lot.
years. The basic is to qualify for tournament. Announce never qualified.
What brought Ket to office?
Normalization elections.
Please. What led to normalization?
Consider entities announce expose.
It was not going to the analysis.
It was.
Oh, please. Unim. Here, Atta, there's grace for leadership.
Why is this grace?
Me say, and you be agree. Listen, before Kwesiki, why Ghana work up and go be that.
Yes.
Obiane grace for an office.
And
then also.
Me
say.
Say Obi grace here walk up. Who grace in a thing?
Ubiza say Kwesinyante Mupam Kwesi piano. How did God punish you through that? Because he won 2 games and then you sack him for no justification.
Because how they AFCON 1 year deal.
Ali say, how many years did it take him? Do you understand project no so far local player? What you say?
Na say they na say onya abutre kakra no man 6 months.
And I see Musen.
I say on man 6 months. Get Okraku say on man 6 months.
Dr. Chinaba. E dey na mo president.
So
project some FN bi bo.
Fancy. What is more damning? Pate Obian friend. Nobody called him. We've had this thing up to here. Nobody called him. On Jai's semantics.
That's what Otto Addos said it before.
Nobody called him.
Or Fred Bueno Kajan on one case of protecting.
My boss. Nobody called him. Mira, nobody called him. Sad na only Joseph Painter here. No, he been there cause up on the patent them. So Bekaya, or Fred Joseph Painter catch and say it's not all about goals and assists.
SOMPA Sports.
What he's going through as the captain of the team. Let's be serious. Okay? There is this marriage of convenience between government and the FA and the Ukunyano. Mose Esco for be meeting Ukwada. Now make a baby. Omuni sheka. Kwesi Amartey hits Enra. Otto Addos will continue. Nothing will happen. Some management executive council, everybody would continue. Nobody. There is a marriage of convenience. Yeah, catch if one said, "Move football." They had all the courage to look me in the eyes and tell me yesterday, and I said, "I'm a minister, and so I offer equipment officer, and they're Wontumi ngoka."
Yes, it do. I'm in no.
Nipa no dey no nim. Na am say enti dey. I say no dey ba na maka wano atum. Sa na e call World Cup na chief director Irebe no aduane no. Where are we?
It has a blame ni nipa ba ko.
Debi, where
so
are we?
So can dey wholesale.
Where are we? Look, where are we? Na nipa ne kan sa ade no. Me cry ya kakra because right after the World Cup Jeff catch Ofia say somebody like that went to the kitchen. And the power mandating is on your Black Stars institution is no school. I won't him do any. Oh, but these people went there to overrule her. Into the national team, no. So what should he be say? And now
SOMPA Sports.
Yeah,
over Canada and US.
Okay.
Prince, say a crime scene. Obi and what dot team be for you to understand, Sir Otto Addos. Or double face. Or friend Nicolas Opoku. A bro of France. So about our national team now. See now the League 2. Until or her more League 1, the top leagues the Kakra. And I says son. Our friend. Only for him to go and call a defender from League 2 in a scholar. Until no mama baby say everybody is complicit in this. Because baby. We and yet Okraku is the government of Ghana and the FA in a marriage of convenience. And Ntina Aminu Shadow, who under normal circumstances shouldn't even be our team manager. Because he has Shadow Bede. Let me tell you this. Yene we for no ball Nigeria form. And Addo no. Otto Addos is my witness. Sammy Kufuor was in the room, in his hotel room with Party. And if Sammy is going to come out for all of you to hear, that night was the night they knew say one go no mbesha because he told them okoda na about 2-3 a.m. He Otto Addos never catch and say no that's so she here then. And so now mudi nkomo kakra no kwa join nkomo ni bi. Oh Sammy Kufuor. This is from Party. Sandy pana on them years I didn't na ene de o twetwe na asese obeba na national team. Muguno because Kurt and the people around him who Black Stars now as a cash cow. And nunti say ko bobo dia omu at the budget bre aban na etua. But minister enim sika Ghana ne Brazil boy in enya. When it is expenditure, it is government. When it's revenue, AFE. They are using the Black Stars to make money. And nothing at 3,000 man pennies a month for more money. Or more de omo pe koye de omo pe so omo yen. Fancy. Nobody is against these people. That rhetoric is wrong. Nobody is against them. But sika yepe anasi yenya.
Bishop, I'm saying about 12. So we are. Whoa, I'm saying I'm not how many na into.
Fancy, it's quite unfortunate say the ECOSO no the national team no ECOSO, but yeah, accepting reality ni say a level ni baby I do ni baby I born about be doing pempen so eti ni. Na ya kan ho nsema kasa hwe die betimi eradi yakopon
Above major 5 cities corner. Above major 5.
Now, Fancy.
They are okay.
Cat statement in the campaign to the my packet.
Shall I make cat statement? No.
Now let me cut me Bishop was me jam time the Bible. Okay, cat statement in the Kakrabi, no Majai. Now, from the highest height of world football on 29th March 2022, Monsa Asiamame 2022, to the lowest ebb of AFCON qualifying matches. My heart bleeds. Definitely, this is not what we want or what we bargained for. Bargained, underlined. At this point, only cool heads can win, underlined. And we as leaders of our sport will stay together, be honest, underlined, be honest with ourselves and fix this problem. The road is to full recovery after normalization. It's definitely bumpy and rough, but our collective efforts and patience will win, and Ghana will be every country will win. Fancy. 2022 no kind. Ya mo AFCON 2021. And yes, 2021 AFCON you call ya Comoros. Ephraim. One another AGFA president. And we still classify the World Cup you call as a success, knowing our standard at the World Cup. And the quality we could have shown at the World Cup. Are we even honest with ourselves? Because said this is the time I was here show honesty. Munim no kreno so monka. First of all, in the statement in itself, you are even lying. It's almost like the question normalization committee. I'm so mona no money yempani for no mudi or minus so pet because back the COVID. Excuse no back so the normalization. Excuse no. And normalization ba my bed. Normalization is why I said normalization crowd over there call AFCON crowd they say big pack as around 16 crowd could do it. Now more stop playing the devil's advocate. Na mo more of them. Mumra form. They are too pompous. Mumra form. And I'm back at you being resigning because it's a private company or whatever they've set it up themselves or man to a group of people that they do all their stuff. But mumra form, calm down. Na munsuya die. Na munya dwuma no nyenya success story. Fancy me kasa bibiri enche bi.